welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and I mostly post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content on my channel. Today I am going to be doing a spring makeup tutorial. Since spring is finally here, officially on March 20th, I thought it would be perfect to do a spring makeup tutorial for those who wear glasses. For someone who wears glasses such as myself, sometimes I know it can feel like our makeup is hiding behind our glasses frames, and that can be a bummer. So I've been wearing this beautiful pink makeup look lately and I absolutely love it, and I think it's perfect for those who wear glasses. You're definitely going to be able to see those glowy pink eyes behind your frames. And today I'm going to be pairing this makeup look with my SOJOS Vision blue light blocking glasses in this style OASIS. I absolutely love these blue light blocking glasses. I think they are perfect for the springtime, especially with the pink frame going above the lens there. And I have a discount code for you guys if you would like to use it. It is Trendy TA22, and I'll link it down below for you guys if you would like to use it and enjoy 15% off of your SOJOS Vision order. They do blue light blocking glasses as well as sunglasses. There's a wide variety to choose from, all stylish and gorgeous. So go ahead and treat yourself with my discount code. And I do want to thank SOJOS Vision for kindly gifting me these blue light blocking glasses as well as two other ones that they sent me. I am obsessed with all of them. They are so stylish and chic. And with all of that being said, let me show you how I completed this makeup look